Today I'm going to show you how to remove and fit new wipers on Volvo V40. It's quite straightforward. It's push button wiper arm, as you can see. All you need to do is just press this button and remove the wiper. You can use a screwdriver to help. It's just pressing and removing. Today I will fit a pair of Heyner hybrid wiper blades. That's the blade. The size is 19 inch on the passenger side and 26 inch on the driver side. So let's open the box. Inside we've got user manuals, hook adapter, we won't need that. We've got separate push button adapters over here which we're going to use. So wipers looks like that. We need to remove the red protective covers and open the box with the adapters. Use one each side. So we place the adapter. We've got two rectangles over here. Between we fit the metal bar. You should hear the click. And now wiper is ready to fit. Please remember this wiper has a Heyner logo on one side. Other side is clear, so this should be visible from the inside car. That's the correct fitting side. And now we just simply slide the wiper in. You need to play a little bit, and now it's ready to work. Okay, on the 26 inch I'll show you a different way to fit Heyner hybrid blades using top lock adapter. We're gonna do the same but other way around. So first I'm gonna slide in the adapter on the wiper arm, and then I will attach wiper to the adapter. Click and it's fitted. Sometimes it's easier way. That's because of there's a different variety shape of this wiper arm, so that might be easier way to fit this wiper for you.